Hi everyone, welcome back to my family's channel, The Happy Healthy Vegans. I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Mark.
And today we're going to be making vegan pepperoni. We're going to be starting off with 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 1.5 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, lightly crushed, that you can do with a mortar and pestle. Then we're going to do 1.5 teaspoons sugar. I used stevia. 1 teaspoon salt, and then 3/4 teaspoons ground pepper, which you can use the ground pepper or you can use fresh ground pepper, whatever you have. And then I use 3/4 teaspoon onion powder and a 1/2 teaspoon
Chili powder.
peppers.
Chili pepper, chili powder.
And now I'm going to add it to my bowl, and also then add 1 cup of vital wheat gluten, which I'm going to whisk very well together. You want to incorporate the spices well with your vital wheat gluten. And once that's done, we're going to be using another bowl to get our wet ingredients mixed together. So I have 1/2 cup of vegetable broth, which I actually use mushroom broth, and then 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, and 1 tablespoon vegan Worcestershire sauce, my homemade vegan Worcestershire sauce.
Which is another video. I'll try to add a link, but I'm still learning how to do that.
Yes. Now we're going to pour in the wet into the dry and whisk that together. You can dive in with your hands. I always left this to my husband, and since he's videotaping, he can't do it. I don't like the texture, but to each his their own. So anyways, I mix it until it's almost completely mixed, and then I
clump it.
Then I get my hands in there and smooth it out, or knead it together until it's a nice smooth ball, and I just get it all kneaded and scoop up at all the spices around the bowl. That way nothing's left out. And then once that's done, I'm going to break it into 2 balls, because there's enough here to make 2 pepperonis. And massage them out until I can get a nice
firm roll.
Yes, a pepperoni size firm roll. And then I'm going to roll it into parchment paper first, so it doesn't get the metal from your tinfoil. So then I wrap that, and then I'm going to wrap it into the tinfoil.
So you wrap it twice.
Yes, and now I have my 2 girthy rolls going into a steam bath for an hour and a half. And once that's done,
I thought it was 45 minutes. No, it's an hour and a
no,
half.
I made a mistake.
Oh.
Take them out, and see, you can see they're a little still squishy. So you want to put them in for the fridge for a few hours to let your pepperoni firm up. There you go. Now you have a nice firm pepperoni stick, and it's ready to use. Just slice it thinly or thickly, and you can use it for your charcuterie boards or pizza. In my case, I'm making a pizza for my son. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, because sharing is caring. Bye now.
Bye.